Good morning, I'm Justin McCartney. This is my Module 5 technology video for planning for instruction, transition to teaching. Today I'm going to show you the unit that I have set up for tractor safety through Intro to Ag, as well as some students that aren't in my class that would like to take tractor safety, and I have that set up in two classes here. So down here on the bottom right is my tractor safety course for students that aren't enrolled in my class, so they're taking it as an extra class and get their certification through K-State Extension. Within here in my Introduction to Agri-Science class, there are two units set up right now. One is through ICV for students to go and learn the basics of welding, and the other one is the tractor safety course. So I'll go in and show you, for a cleaner version, I'll show you the tractor safety course. So I've gone through and started out, I've set up announcements. I'll go down to the bottom here. I put it as easy as I could for them so they could go in and get the link for the K-State Extension, the Youth Farm Safety. Right here are all the modules for what they're supposed to be reading. I'll go back here and show you. So I've outlined each module has its own quiz or outline, so I can assess where students are at and if they have an understanding of the information. And really what I wanted to do is make sure that I knew they were taking away the major points of each section, because tractor safety is a very serious deal, and if we have kids going out to the farm or working for farmers and not understand the severity of how farming can be dangerous, and if they don't understand that could be very dangerous. So I'll go into the chapter 1 quiz here. The Google Classroom's really been easy for me to set up. I'm not real big on technology. I understand it, I can work my way through it, but this has been a real simple way to do this. So we'll go to the instructions, and what I've done is I've laid out kind of what I expect for each person to do. The quiz is right here. The link to actually each module is on there, so they can just click and go right to the material they're supposed to read for that section. Then they can click and open up another window and have the quiz right here. So they have the quiz in one window, they can read the question, they can go back to the page and go through each section and read, and then find the answer to turn in to the Google form. At the end they can click submit and turn it in, and then go back, and this is where excuse me, this is where I can see where they have done or not done and how they've done on them. 16 out of 20, 20 out of 20. I'll go back here to the final exam, and this is actually the exam that K-State Extension sent out for students to take. I will have to send this in to our county extension agent and give her a copy of the test on file, and that way they can have certification through K-State Extension to be tractor safety certified. So it's a very simple deal once it's set up, but on like these quizzes, I had to go through and pick out every question and figure out the main points of each section, because I had never taught this before, but felt like it was a necessity for students to have moving forward, especially if they're working on a farm. Thank you.